In SPSS, we usually work from 3 windows, including the data editor window, the output viewer window, and the syntax editor window. In the previous video, we showed you the main elements of first 2 windows. In this video let's have a quick look at the last one of syntax editor window. Right, let's now download and open bank.save. We'll use it for walking you through the main parts of the syntax editor. In SPSS, the right way to do basically anything, for example editing and analyzing data, creating tables and charts and more, is by running syntax. So how to get syntax window? Options for opening a syntax window are the following. On the menu, you can navigate to File, then New, and click on Syntax. Or, you can navigate to Window, then go to designated syntax window. If you've a syntax window open, you still need the actual syntax. Options to get the syntax you need are, copy-paste syntax from our tutorials, online forums, and elsewhere, or type the commands you need into the syntax window. Now, let's suppose that I'd like to gain some insight into the percentages of male and female respondents. I could first navigate, on the menu, to Analyze, then Descriptive Statistics, and click on Frequencies. I'll now move gender into the variable box, and perhaps request a bar chart as well. Now, click the Paste button. Upon doing so, a new SPSS window opens, which is known as the syntax editor. It's recognized by the orange icon in its left top corner. The syntax editor contains a frequencies command, which holds the instructions we just gave SPSS in the frequencies dialog. However, we don't see the frequency distribution and bar chart we asked for. This is because we still need to run the command we just created. How to run SPSS syntax? The simplest way to run syntax is to select the command S you'd like to run, and click the Run selection icon in your toolbar. A faster way to run syntax is to use several short keys, especially Ctrl+R for running all selected commands. So let's now run our pasted syntax. On doing so, a new window will open, containing our frequency table and bar chart. This is an output window. Now, typing syntax may seem like a crazy thing to do at this point. However, typing syntax is much easier than it seems, because most of it can be dramatically simplified. The syntax we just pasted from the menu was here. Now typing all that manually is a lot of work. However, we'll get the exact same results if we run frequencies gender /bar chart. Just typing and running this is much faster and easier than clicking through all menu options. So, if you want to get real good and real fast with SPSS, start learning short syntax. This will take some practice, but it will save you tons of time and effort in the longer run. We can now save all contents of our syntax editor as a syntax file by going to File, Save As, and click Save. The resulting syntax file has the .sps for SPSS syntax file extension and is a plain text file. You can open, edit and save it with SPSS, or any text editor such as Notepad++. We finish here the video. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't hesitate to leave your comments, these will inspire us to create more videos. See you soon in the next videos.